Guys, here's a super easy way to make fun hanging Easter egg decorations for your tree. So you get your eggs, you can expand the holes in them if you need to, and then just get any kind of a string or a curling ribbon and stick that right on through there. Easy, tie a knot so that it stays in place. And then you want to make sure that your egg is hanging the right way. See, not upside down, the other way. So you'll pull the string long, thread that through just like you did before. If the egg tends to fall apart, you might want to tape it shut and then just double knot it again. Easy peasy, there you go. Now what I used to hang it from my tree was a paper clip. You just open it, tie one end onto there, use the other end to attach to the tree, and then I would wrap the paper clip around the actual branch so it stays in place if it's windy. Tug it tight, and there you go. I did 10 on each tree. We had a lot of fun hanging it up, and we're hoping that with each person walking by and seeing it, that'll give them just something to smile about, some extra Easter spirit.